Have you ever wondered if you can send or receive money using Paysend in Nigeria? Well, you're not alone. In today's globalized world, the ability to transfer funds seamlessly across borders is essential. Imagine being able to receive money from your loved ones abroad, pay for international services, or even start a business without the hassle of traditional banking methods. That's where Paysend comes in. Paysend is a global money transfer service that allows you to send and receive money quickly, easily, and at competitive rates. But can you really use it in Nigeria? In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of using Paysend in Nigeria, from registration to fees and security. Can I use Paysend in Nigeria? The short answer is yes, you can use Paysend in Nigeria. The service is available to both residents and non-residents, making it a convenient option for various financial transactions. How to register for Paysend? To get started with Paysend, you'll need to create an account. The registration process is simple and can be completed online in just a few minutes. You'll need to provide your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Sending money with Paysend. Once you have an account, you can start sending money to friends, family, or businesses anywhere in the world. To send money, you'll need to provide the recipient's name, account number, and country. You can also choose the currency you want to send the money in. Receiving money with Paysend. Receiving money with Paysend is just as easy. Your recipients will need to provide your Paysend account details. Once the money is sent, you'll receive a notification and can withdraw the funds to your local bank account. Fees and exchange rates. One of the most important factors to consider when using any money transfer service is the fees and exchange rates. Paysend offers competitive fees and exchange rates compared to other providers. The exact fees will depend on the amount you're sending and the countries involved. Security and trustworthiness. When it comes to online financial transactions, security is paramount. Paysend uses advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. The service is also regulated by various financial authorities around the world, ensuring that it operates within legal and ethical standards. Pros and cons of using Paysend. Pros. Fast and efficient transfers. Competitive fees and exchange rates. Easy to use interface. Secure and reliable. Cons. Limited currency options in some countries. May not be suitable for large transactions. Alternatives to Paysend. If you're looking for other options for sending money internationally, there are several other services available, such as Western Union, TransferWise, and MoneyGram. However, Paysend often offers more competitive rates and a simpler user experience. In conclusion, Paysend is a viable option for sending and receiving money in Nigeria. The service offers a fast, secure, and convenient way to transfer funds across borders. While there are other options available, Paysend's competitive fees and user-friendly interface make it a compelling choice for many people. So, if you're looking for a reliable way to send or receive money internationally, give Paysend a try. You can visit their website or download their app to get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.